Probably trying to eat them.
Of course.
And I give her a hug.
Hello.
And then I say hello to my teacher.
I'm Big
Miss
Bird.
Anthony.
The Big Bird. And Rainy used to say Babble.
Really nice.
This is
The
Babble.
first thing we do at school is
Who's
put our
that?
stuff away in
Say Big
cupboards.
Bird.
I have my
Hi,
very
Big
own
Bird.
cubby. So
Hi,
does
Big
my
Bird.
friend Gwen Pay.
Yeah.
Then for
Yeah.
circle time, we have show and tell.
Hi.
Eddie brought in his pet
Yeah.
rabbit.
Who's that?
Her name is Meadow. She likes to be feathered. Next, we sing.
What is it? What?
It's a song, we sign.
Oh, what's that? Hi, Dee. I see you.
Then later, we have lunch. My mom packed my favorite, a cheese sandwich and carrots. Yum. Then it's time for recess. We swing,
You strong.
climb, and slide, and rock. I love recess. And when recess is over, we rest over.
He's trying to put in his
Games
mouth.
is my favorite time of all. Choice time. We get to choose what we want to do. Play with toys. Play dress up. Build things. I like to paint pictures. Then it's time to go.
Tell them what color that is.
Yeah.
I really
Tell 'em.
like
Yellow.
school.
It's yellow.
Like that guy from the Castle Hill that was trying to show the baby the tennis press. Were you with me then? We're gonna press. like the baby is supposed to know what it is. Oh, look at that. Yeah, big boy. Oh, big boy. Yeah. I think this is so clever that it's the light pole from the
Oh,
light
the street pole. Yeah, the street.
pole.
Everybody in my family goes to school. My mom goes to karate school to learn how to do karate. I love school. My dad goes to cooking school to learn how to cook. It's good and delicious. I love school. My big sister goes to clown school. I love like school. Grandma goes to dance. Learn how to dance.
He's gonna hit himself.
Bye-bye.